20 interesting facts about partridges. Partridges belong to the Phasianidae family, which also includes pheasants, quails, and chickens. Partridges are terrestrial birds that prefer to run rather than fly, and they spend most of their time on the ground. Partridges inhabit a range of environments, from grasslands and scrublands to woodlands and mountainous regions. There are various species of partridges, including the gray partridge, red-legged partridge, chakar partridge, and the Tibetan partridge. Partridges are often considered game birds and are hunted for sport and food in some regions. Many partridge species have cryptic plumage, which provides them with camouflage in their natural habitats. Partridges are generally social birds, often forming coveys or groups to forage and roost. Partridges build ground nests, typically concealed in vegetation, where they lay a clutch of eggs. Some partridge species are known for their ability to mimic the calls of other birds and sounds in their environment. Many partridge species exhibit monogamous behavior, forming long-term pair bonds. Partridges produce various vocalizations, including calls and drumming sounds, to communicate with each other. Male and female partridges are involved in raising their chicks, which are precocial and able to move and feed shortly after hatching. Partridges are omnivores, feeding on a diet that includes seeds, insects, and vegetation. Some partridge species are migratory, moving to different regions depending on seasonal changes. Partridges often have distinctive facial markings, including eye stripes or patches, contributing to their unique appearance. Partridges are sometimes raised on game farms for hunting purposes, and efforts are made to release them into the wild for conservation. Native to Eurasia, the chakar partridge has been introduced to various regions for hunting and is well adapted to arid environments. Inhabiting mountainous regions, the Tibetan partridge has adapted to high altitudes and harsh climates. Partridges face predation from a variety of animals, including birds of prey, foxes, and mammals. Due to habitat loss and hunting pressures, some partridge species are the focus of conservation initiatives to protect and manage their populations. In some cases, partridges have been successfully introduced to new regions for hunting and conservation purposes. The cryptic plumage of partridges helps them blend into their surroundings, providing protection from predators. Partridges undergo molting, shedding, and regrowing feathers, usually after the breeding season. While capable of short flights, partridges are not strong flyers and prefer to rely on running for escaping danger. Partridge eggs are typically brown and speckled, providing additional camouflage in the nest. During the breeding season, male partridges may become territorial, defending their territory from other males. Partridges often take dust baths, rolling in dry soil to clean their feathers and communicate with each other. Some partridge species are adapted to cold climates and can withstand harsh winter conditions. Partridges play a role in shaping plant communities through their feeding and foraging activities. When partridges spend most of their time on the ground, they may roost in trees or shrubs at night for safety. The beak of partridges is generally short and conical, adapted for pecking at seeds and insects. Partridges generally have a lifespan ranging from 1 to 5 years on average. Partridges can achieve running speeds of around 10 to 20 miles per hour. The number of eggs in a partridge clutch can vary, but it's usually around 10 to 15 eggs, depending on the species. The incubation period for partridge eggs is generally around 23 to 25 days, during which the female incubates the eggs.
Thanks for watching my videos. We are requesting please subscribe our YouTube channel, The Information World.